Asuntoskeittiö Espoon Kastehelmi.
Yes, and today is the 10th of October 2022. We have Ullantorppa Ylikas four stakes A.
Yeah, this says also for.
It's broken now.
Yeah.
This is here in Koivuhovi Björkgård, close to Kaunion and Grankola here in Espoo. Espoo, Helsinki has was region in modernized Finland with 6 floors. So we figured the door here. I just wanted this to open properly to watch the door open.
Yeah.
It was built in 2001, turned 20 years old in last year, 2021. The capacity is 8 purchase orders. The grants will be inspected this year in 2022. And this here is 9136580. Let's take one right here.
Yeah.
Here's traction. Seven, 4, 5. Now that's really stupid. That's
Yeah.
it is broken, and
Yeah.
I mean the indicator is so you can't. The lamps are working here actually,
Yeah.
but you cannot rely on the authenticator.
Yeah.
This is like completely hilarious.
Spectate Suomi. Kiva, jos täältä meidän tehty Suomi hissara.
Would you like to see this indicator? It's such a beautiful color. It's
yeah.
orange. I like it.
Yeah.
But it's generic, but
Yeah.
yeah, this is very hilarious.
Yeah.
This is something we should tell our tracks also.
Yeah.
But these ones could have been orange also. I mean the directional arrows.
Yeah.
This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5.
Yeah.
That's what it showed us. Well, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. That was really
Yeah.
hilarious.
That's